how does a bankruptcy filing stop evictions, foreclosures, things like that? So oftentimes people have questions about bankruptcy, and you'll often hear people talk about stop your eviction, stop a foreclosure, prevent foreclosure, save your home by filing bankruptcy. Well, people think, well, if I'm filing bankruptcy, I'm saying I can't pay my debts. So how does that keep them from evicting me or foreclosing on a home that I own? So the general answer is it really depends on what type of bankruptcy you're filing and whether you can make the payments to get current with that creditor, which gets a little bit into some complexities that I will get into in other videos. But essentially, when you file bankruptcy, whether it's Chapter 7, 13, 11, those are the more common ones. There's a number of others out there, but those are the three most common ones that both business and individuals file. So the minute that it's filed, it's typically filed electronically with the federal bankruptcy court. So for example, a client comes in and they say, my house is about to get sold at a trustee sale, essentially a foreclosure that's supposed to happen tomorrow morning. Technically, we can prepare what's called basically a skeleton bankruptcy petition, the basics of it, just a couple pages to get it filed, and then we'll have a short period of time, a number of days, to file all the normal other documents. So it's kind of an emergency petition, but we can prepare that, file it electronically, it gets uploaded to the court system, and then as soon as it's filed, to the minute, legally, technically, there is a court order. It's called an automatic stay. So it's a bankruptcy stay or the automatic stay, and that's the name for the order that goes into place as soon as you file bankruptcy. And as soon as you do, then it automatically puts a stop legally on anything taking place against any of your assets. So the foreclosure that was about to happen, a legal proceeding where an eviction was about to go through an unlawful detainer, they're about to get a judgment for an unlawful detainer, any type of legal action, a judgment, collections, those are all automatically stopped the minute that you file. Now, it's not a good idea to wait till the last minute, because even though legally a minute before a trustee sale, filing bankruptcy puts a stop to the sale of the house, just procedurally and practically, the trustee sale may still go forward. Somebody buys the house, and then you notify them of the bankruptcy, and you have to undo whatever was done. So legally, you did stop it, but it's always better to do it earlier so you can give notice to everybody that, hey, a bankruptcy filing was made. And so that stops legal proceedings, foreclosure, eviction, the minute that you file. But it's always better to file it and give notice so that everybody knows, so that they can cancel or postpone any kind of legal proceeding, trustee sale, anything like that.